So we're trying to get to our friend's house, but we got a little bit of an issue here. Ice storm, severe ice storm in the city leaves you with dead ends in the suburban areas like this. How are we gonna get through, man? Move, tree! Alright, let's turn around, man. We gotta go the other way. Reroute, detour that shit. Sucks. Is the breast broken or what? No, there's no windows broken on it. Oh shit. Damn. Well, hopefully got the insurance claims up. Right. Everything is so icy right now. I've never seen anything like this. All these trees are breaking off. And look how much ice is on that branch. And then the whole tree is covered. That's why trees are breaking. Yo.